Our school found success with being in a national winner in 2006, and it will be our dream to being that success in 2015 again. After a long break in cricket competition, as Regulars College Charlottesville took part again in the Central Zone competition in both Opens and under 15, we were blessed to place second. After placing second last year in the Central Zone, we worked towards winning, which we did. We did not, however, expect to reach the finals. We do intend, though, to put up a fight. Surely this competition has taught us more than just learning how to play good cricket like all sports. My teammates and I have developed and appreciated a deeper sense of team spirit and collegiality among ourselves. Through our successes as a team, no matter how big or small, we hope to motivate the rest of the school to join the cricket team. Although it is a grueling challenge to balance academics and training, we recognize that some lessons learned as a team are some of the most valuable life lessons. Finally, I would like to give thanks to God for giving us life and our talents. Thanks to our dedicated coach, our supportive teachers, parents, and peers. I am just Niju and thank you.